In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your own video into Crello and trim it to perfection. If you're ready to unleash your creativity and make your design truly personalized, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the straightforward process of uploading and editing your video in Crello, also known as Vista Create. First things first, you want to log into Crello and either open an existing design or create a new one where you'd like to add your video. Once you're on your workspace, you'll want to turn your attention to the left side panel or menu. Here, you should look for labels like My Files, Uploads, or Media, which is where your journey begins. To upload your video, simply click on the Upload or Add Media button, which will allow you to browse through your computer files. Select the video you wish to import. Vista Create supports video uploads, so you shouldn't encounter any issues here. After you've selected your file, it'll start uploading, and once it's complete, your video will make its appearance in the My Files section or the Media library. Rest assured, it's as straightforward as it sounds. Now that your video is uploaded, it's time to bring it onto the stage. By dragging or clicking on your uploaded video, you can easily add it to your design canvas or timeline. Once placed, it appears as a media element, giving you the flexibility to position it exactly where you want. Feel free to move it around, resize it, or even layer it beneath or above other design elements if you're working with multiple pieces. Next, let's talk trim. Trimming is a key technique to ensure your video captures just the moments you need. Crello, or Vista Create, offers basic editing features such as trimming. While the exact layout may vary based on software updates, the process remains intuitive. To start trimming, select the video clip by clicking on it, which activates the video editing options. Look out for a toolbar or panel featuring options like Edit, Trim, Split, or perhaps a scissors icon. Once you're in trim mode, you'll be presented with handles on the video timeline. These handles are your tools for trimming the video. Drag them inward to cut away parts from the beginning or end, focusing your video on the content that counts. Some platforms offer additional options to split or remove segments from the middle of the clip if you need more detailed edits. When you're satisfied with your trimming, don't forget to confirm or apply your changes. Search for buttons labeled Done, Apply, or simply a checkmark to seal the deal. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully imported and trimmed your video in Crello. Happy creating. Happy